In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an eBay coupon code, a handy trick for saving a few extra bucks on your online purchases. Whether you're a savvy shopper or just discovering the world of coupons, this guide will make the whole process simple and straightforward. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your web browser and head to ebay.com, or if you're outside the United States, click over to your local eBay site. Once you've arrived, it's time to do a bit of shopping. Browse around the site and add your desired items to your shopping cart. One thing to keep in mind is the coupons terms. Some coupons are specific to certain items or categories, so make sure what you're purchasing is eligible for the discount. With your shopping list complete, take a look at the top right corner of the eBay page. You'll notice a little cart icon, which when clicked will take you straight to a summary of all the treasures you've decided to bring home. This gives you another chance to review what's in your cart and confirm you're ready to purchase. From detailing the items to considering quantities, now's the time to double check everything. Once you're happy with your selections, go ahead and click on the Go to Checkout button. This will lead you to the point where the magic happens, the checkout process. During checkout, keep an eye out for a section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. It's here where you'll enter your coupon code. You can type it in manually, or if you've saved it somewhere, copy and paste it directly into the field. After inputting your code, the next critical step is to hit that apply button. This action will check if your coupon is valid. If it is, voila, you'll see the discount applied right away, reducing your total amount payable. You'll notice the savings are deducted from the final price, so there's no guessing game involved. It's a great way to ensure your coupon worked as intended. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use a coupon code on eBay. Remember, some coupons have expiration dates, so it's always a good idea to use them while they're still valid. Also, keep checking back for eBay promotions, as they often release special deals and coupons that might be perfect for your next purchase. By incorporating these simple steps into your online shopping routine, you can maximize your savings and make every eBay experience even more rewarding. Happy shopping!